Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can change the camera record video resolution size to HD, 4K, etc. on your iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on settings, and in settings you want to go down to the bottom and tap on camera. In camera settings, tap on record video. Now by default it is set to 1080 pixel, which is HD at 30 fps. Now you can lower the resolution to 720 or 1080 at 60 fps. And the next up is you got 4K at 24 fps, 4K at 30 fps, and 4K at 60 fps. Now normally at the cinema, when you watch a movie, normally they are recorded at 4K 24 fps. So if you want to choose that mode, you can choose 4K at 24 fps. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to settings, or swipe up to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.